In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grant Discord microphone access. Let's make sure your voice comes through clearly so you can jump into voice chats, calls, or streams without any hiccups. We'll do this right inside Discord and keep it simple. Start by opening Discord on your desktop or in your browser. Look to the bottom left corner of the app window. You'll see a small gear icon next to your avatar and username. This is user settings. Click that to open your settings panel. If you don't see the gear right away, make sure your window isn't minimized or cropped. Expanding the app usually brings it into view. Inside user settings, focus on the left sidebar. Scroll if needed until you find the section labeled App Settings and then select Voice and Video. This is the central place where Discord manages your audio permissions and voice behavior. Taking a moment to open this page ensures you're in the right spot to allow microphone access and confirm everything is set up properly. Once you're on the Voice and Video page, Discord may prompt you to grant permission to use your microphone. When you see that prompt, click Allow. This permission lets Discord hear your microphone so others in your channel can hear you. If you're using a web browser, the Allow option might appear near the address bar or as a pop-up dialog. In the desktop app, it can appear as a system prompt. Granting access here is the key step. Without it, Discord can't capture your voice. After allowing access, Discord will keep that permission in place for your account on this device. You should notice the input indicators on the Voice and Video page respond when you speak, which is a good sign that your microphone is being recognized. If you previously blocked the microphone by accident, look for any on-screen banner or browser icon indicating access was denied and change it to Allow. A few practical tips as you wrap up. Make sure your physical microphone isn't muted and any inline mute switch on a headset is turned off. If you enter a call and don't hear a response, check that you're not muted in the call itself. In many servers, you'll see a green ring around your avatar when Discord detects your voice, which is a quick visual confirmation that you're being heard. That's all you need to grant Discord microphone access. With those permissions enabled, you're ready to talk, stream, and collaborate without interruptions. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next voice chat.